All right, so now for the perpendicular line. So we already calculated the slope of BC from earlier, so that equaled 2. So remember what we mean by opposite reciprocal? You're thinking about what do I multiply to 2 to make that -1? Or you can think about it again as the opposite reciprocal of 2. So 2 is the same thing as 2 over 1. So the opposite reciprocal means we take that sign and we flip it so it's positive. So it's going to become negative. So that's the opposite. And the reciprocal means we flip the fraction. So -1/2 is going to be the slope of the line perpendicular to BC. But once again, once we have slope and we know a point, just plug it into point slope form and solve. So let's go ahead and do that. And there it is, right? Remember, be okay with fractions because not everything's going to have a lovely, perfect integer y-intercept. So we still want to remember how we add, subtract, multiply, divide fractions, of course. So distribute that -1, add 7 to both sides. 7 is the same thing as 14 over 2. And I'll get y equals -1/2 x plus 15 over 2, or you can write that as 7.5. All right, so that was a quick and dirty recap of slope, parallel, perpendicular, and writing equations of lines. So hopefully that all sounded familiar. Remember, if you have any questions, please ask me when we're back in class. Thanks for listening.